Item 6 of today's instructions has you digitally annotating the introduction paragraphs of the dangers of social media. You did this previously when you annotated the structure of the essays, but now we're just going to be focusing on the introduction paragraphs. In order to access this assignment, you're going to need to go under the literature section in the classwork tab. So let's do that. So we'll click on the classwork tab. And when you scroll to the literature section, you're going to see that you have the assignment annotating introduction paragraphs. Let's open that. I'm going to click on View Assignment. So here are your instructions. Our essential question is, how do you properly write an introduction paragraph? You just finished your Cornell's on introduction paragraphs, so hopefully you remember that it should be in HIT format. You hook your readers, you give information on the topic, or you introduce the topic, and the T is for your thesis. In order to do these annotations, we need to open up the copy of the Dangers of Social Media. This is a separate assignment that's titled Study the Dangers of Social Media, and it's in the literature section. So let's go find that study first before we continue on. So we'll go back to the classwork tab, back to the literature section, and this is where the study is being kept. I told you previously that we're going to annotate it several different times. It is a graded assignment. So today we're adding some more annotations. View assignment, and off to the right, there is my copy of the Dangers of Social Media. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And now it's opened my previously annotated copy. You just read this and made more annotations off to the side. So this is the copy you should see, the colored copy. Now that we have it open, let's go back to today's assignment. So we'll go back to the classwork tab, and we'll find today's assignment regarding introduction paragraphs. Open it again. View assignment. Okay, so we've opened the copy. Now we need to annotate the structure of the introduction paragraphs for each essay. There are 2 essays in this study, so you're going to be doing 2 different introduction paragraphs. The first thing we need to do is identify the hook. And in order to do that, you're going to use your mouse to highlight the first sentence of each introduction paragraph. You can see now I'm doing that with my own mouse as I'm highlighting and reading to you. You'll do the same kind of thing in your essay. And once you've highlighted that first sentence, we're going to have to click the plus sign to make a comment. And our comment is going to indicate that that's the hook, and the purpose is to grab the reader's attention. So let's identify the hook. Our first paragraph is always the introduction paragraph. That's why we made it green. So here's our very first sentence of the first essay. I'm going to use my mouse to highlight it. And notice that a plus sign popped up over here. That's the comment feature. I'm going to make a comment, and I'm going to say, hook grabs the reader's attention. Comment. That's the hook of the first essay. Let's go find the second essay. So we'll scroll down to the second essay. It's identified as paragraph 8. Use my cursor to highlight the first sentence. There's the plus sign. I'm going to click it to make a comment. This is also the hook of the second essay. Grabs the reader's attention. Okay, so we've identified the hook. Remember, H-I-T. Always hit your readers with a great introduction. Now that we've identified the hooks, we can identify the I, information on the topic or introducing the topic. In order to do that, we're going to highlight the middle sentences of each introduction paragraph. So we're just focusing on the middle sentences. And then, just like last time, we'll click the plus sign to make a comment. Our comment is going to indicate information about the general topic. Our general topic is social media and preteens. So let's go back to the essay. We'll go to the first introduction paragraph. And we want to find the middle sentences, which means not the last sentence and not the first sentence. So let's highlight the middle sentences. Click the plus I. Information, spell, about the general topic, social media and preteens. And I'm going to make that comment. Let's do the same thing on the second introduction paragraph. So again, it's all the middle sentences. So not the last sentence, not the first sentence. The middle sentence are introducing the topic or information on the general topic, and our general topic is social media and preteens. And I make that comment. Okay, so that's the second part of HIT. The final part is the thesis. Again, we're going to highlight the sentence, but we're going to focus on the very last sentence of each introduction paragraph. And then our comment is going to say thesis, and this is the specific claim that the rest of the essay will attempt to prove. So let's go into our essay and do that. So we'll go back to the first introduction paragraph, highlight that last sentence, click the plus sign. This is our T in HIT. It's our thesis. Specific claim that the rest of the essay will attempt to prove. We can see from this specific thesis, preteens should be allowed access to social media for a variety of reasons, that this first essay is supporting the idea that preteens should be allowed to use social media. And that's what the rest of the essay will be dedicated to. Let's go identify the thesis of the second essay. So we're going to highlight that last sentence of the introduction paragraph, click the plus sign. This is the thesis for the second essay, and it's the specific claim that the rest of the essay will attempt to prove. And from this thesis sentence, preteens should not be allowed on social media websites. We can tell that this second essay is disagreeing with the first essay, and that the entire purpose of the second essay is to prove the idea that preteens should not be allowed on social media. Once we've done this and we've identified the hook, the information on the topic, and the thesis for both essays, we're done annotating for today. But you're not going to click turn in on the study itself because we're going to keep annotating it. So do not turn it in yet. We're not done annotating. We're just going to exit out of it. Now that we've exited out of the study, we want to make sure we click mark as done on this assignment because this was one annotation task. It was one of many that you're going to do. And you'll click mark as done.